Hey guys, so we are using the Kreg pocket hole driller, and I thought I said I was going to make a video for this. I got it a while ago. Finally, I'm going to be making a little table here. So we're going to be demonstrating how to use this thing. So first off, you want to measure the wood that you are drilling through. So this comes this handy little device here, and it's like, okay, what's your depth of the wood? So you just put the little L part on there, and it's 1/2, 3/4, 1 inch, or 1 1/2. So I put it at 1 1/2 inch. So that's where it's at right here. Okay, and now it's got this drill bit it comes with, and so it has these 3 little spots on here, so 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 1/2 inch. So with the little tool that you got to measure with, you can take that Allen key and adjust this, and it has this little round area, and just move it over the one that indicates what it is. So 1 1/2 inch is what we're drilling through, so that's where we go to on the thing. Tighten it down, put with your Allen key, make sure it's nice and tight, and there you go. Okay, next step is I'm drilling a couple holes that are going into the side here. So I thought, because the directions, well, I didn't really understand the directions, that, okay, I'm drilling into, say, this piece of wood here, then I want to measure here off the edge, but no, you don't. So this last part is, for this part, is you have these here for 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 1/2 inch. And these are just little templates here that are adjusted by pushing this, and you can slide it to the desired one. And where it's going to be is that little gray part's going to be full there. So clicks into place, and I don't know why it wants to focus on the 2x4 there, but it'll have the area filled to where you need to set it at. So we're setting it at 1.5 inches here. Okay, so next step is what we do is I'm going to be drilling a couple holes in here, because these are going in the legs on either side. So place your I'm going to be doing 2 pocket holes. This thing is together. You can adjust it if you want, take it apart. So you want to set it in the middle of your wood. Make sure that the little ends here, it brushes up on that, and then you want to clamp it. So I'm just using these quick grips, and the sawdust comes out of these holes here. You don't want to block those holes, but you can grip it anywhere else. And I'm trying to just basically get it centered on the wood wherever. So it's mostly centered right there. Okay, we got a nice tight grip on there. I'm gonna take my drill, and I'm just using my impact driver to do this. Okay, so make sure that's clamped on there good, and you just want to stick it in the hole here. Just go all the way to the stop there. Okay, just like that. That's all there is to it. Undo your grip, and you got nice 2 pocket holes. So it doesn't have, the hole doesn't come out here on the end, and then it gives you this nice long tightener as well. Extension for putting those in there. So these are the kind of screws it comes with. These have a nice flat edge there, so that's going to butt right up on the pocket and hold it tight. And it has these square, man, what is it? Holes or whatever, I guess. So this fits right in there. And then basically we're just going to put that in between there. Clamp this, you want a nice good clamp on there when you screw it in, and then just screw those right into there, and it makes a very solid, really solid hold there. So this will just go in there like this. Just screw it in there. Okay. So it's as easy as that. If you're using just those steps, measure your wood, set your pieces, and then clamp it on there, and you're good to go. really. And the pocket holes are super strong. Plus, it's hidden, so you don't really see the screws poking out or anything like that. You can put some wood putty over there and sand it, and it disappears if you want to do that. So super strong joint. It makes also, you can put some wood glue in between here when you do it and screw them together, even better. But yeah, so super happy got to set this up, and I'm making a little table here. I'll make a video on that as well. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.